Hello sir, I'm Kenaldre D. Karingal from Mexe 3203. Sir, ito po yung drawing ko at saka yun po yung ginawa kong code. Na ginawa po namin is, binigyan nyo po kami ng figure. Then sabi nyo po is scale namin na half size. Then for codes naman po, namit ko ay G97 for constant spindle speed mode. Na ibig sabihin po is hindi nag-adjust ang RPM. Then M03 spindle on na clockwise. Then S1000, speed po is 1000 RPM. Then T0101 tool 1 and offset po na 1. For line 2 naman po is G00 which is rapid movement, mabilis na galaw or walang cutting. And sunod po is X71Z1, ibig sabihin po is position ng tool. Then for line 3 naman po is Z2, move lang po yung Z2 ng slide. For line 4, ginagawa was G71, U2.0 and R1.0 po, which is magsaset up po ng wrapping parameters. For line 5, ginagawa po is P6, Q7, then U.5, W.5 and F.5. Ito yung actual roughing instruction na po. Then simula po dyan sa line 6, which is yung N6 to N7 is yun na po yung profile cutting. Then next naman po is papakita ko na po yung simulation. For main sizes po naka-mm yan. Tapos for workpiece length is 100, then workpiece diameter 70, then clamp length is 15. Then for tools catalog po is kinant po is 005. Then ito na po yung pagnira na po yung code. Ito na po yung output. Thanks for watching. Ito na po yung final output. Thanks for watching po.